And may God bless you, Governor.
Asante sana. Lero iga obisi otobota abantu ku Kenya Rural Electrication. Yani abantu bari bakubega Stima ase nsemo chikona cyose cya Kenya. Tuwanchiranire tusaine MOU kia tu discuss ibintu birase MOU. Nande tuwanchiranire ditikoriyo gatokobeka Nchengende ose MD yabo Chief Executive achega Nyamira tubekege dore. Last mile connectivity Nyamira Stima tera ikachikona chance. Senaru musuntore asenari estimata ikachimarket senari chinyagita arietaraika senari skulu etaraika. Ekiara a program na ya computerization of hospitals. Teaching in schools, you cannot teach computer science without power. Igo nechi market nje chiro musunte bado. Igo bacha to ase program na barabu na arwe shiringi na barabu arwe shiringi. Tubuatirane erinde tonyare usiri musunte Nyamira. Igo to ansiro mwakoyo na to akore budget intorie supplementary. Inse kabisa tori milioni 20 na barbata manchi milioni 20 waanse program hiyo connect facility cheito. Dobe toko gamba n'abantu na okora public participation komanya abantu baito priority kibabwate kiagere program hiyo kwanda se miaka 5 lakini tutaite wansera ase oboroma borobonene. Igo bwango ganto saine MOU na ndento bamanyi. Infrastructure mne Stima yere gento kia muhimu na buboroso hata wakarabi asara na wane visa rumi togo fabricate na wane jidirisha togo is manufacturing in the house ose processing na wantoko yura industrial park togo process kende yanzu ota evenko korore gasi 24-hour economy estimate ayo. Igone kama kiabo kera manage gokonya a 24-hour economy. Ebinde of course infrastructure yende na chibara anobu agachiwe nyagetari estimate yoto korane nyagetari 24/7. Igo 24-hour economy yewate sector chance lakini Stima na ya mo ibwato boroso as a program. You can approach us and those other programs because they are flexible.
Thank you very much. I'm the regional manager, South Nyanza Rere. I'm covering Nyamira County, Kisi County, Homa Bay County, and Migori County. Today, we have the privilege to see the governor of Nyamira alongside with the CCs of the departments, that is Energy Department, Trade Department, also Health, and our county secretary. First and foremost, I have alongside the director of the board from REREC side and also the team that we have come along. We want to appreciate and give thanks to the governor who has given us an okay that we can partner together on the matching fund for the next financial year, 2024-2025. And we shall do a schedule on the projects that we have identified based on the priority, and we have had the governor has given us the priority on health, schools, markets, and other emerging projects in the county. Currently, we are handling 23 projects in Nyamira County, for your information, Excellency, worth 126 million, and covering or actually benefiting 2,161 customers. And today, we had actually gone to visit the project with the board of directors, and we are actually progressing well with the implementation of the projects in this county of Nyamira. So we shall go back with the design and do the mapping of the projects depending on the priorities and do a schedule, and we shall share and table it with the government for them to approve. Otherwise, those are what we have at the moment, and may God bless you, Governor.